Do you ever wake up feeling stiff, achy, or just plain worn out from your workouts? I've been there, even last weekend. It just happens. When this happens, I know I'm neglecting my recovery and mobility work. However, this video will show you how to use mobility to recover quicker overall and get stronger as you work out. The truth is, most people overcomplicate the training workouts, then proceed to ignore the simplest thing that keeps them strong and pain-free: recovery. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, minimalist recovery and mobility routine you can do right away at home. No equipment, no massage therapist, just your body, little space, maybe a foam roller or tennis ball. This is for busy men and women alike who want to move better, feel younger, and keep training their whole life. First, let's talk about why recovery and mobility matter, especially if you're like me, busy, maybe sitting a lot, and trying to squeeze in quick, intense workouts. When we train, we're putting stress on our muscles and joints. That's how we get stronger. But if we don't recover properly, tension and tightness build up. Over time, that stiffness adds up to sore backs, cranky knees, tight hips, and sometimes injuries that force us to stop training altogether. The injuries just pile up, just as we start to see some benefits of progressive overload. That's the opposite of what we want. Good news, science, research, and years of my own experience show that just a few minutes a day of basic stretching, mobility drills, and deep breathing can reduce aches and pains, speed up recovery, and keep us training consistently. The deep breathing can help mentally to keep us on track. I don't skip it. This means more results, less pain, and more freedom to move like we're supposed to. Moving shouldn't stop at a certain age. It should keep progressing as we continue to do the activities we did freely when younger, even if it involves a couple more minutes of tuning up. So here's a practical and yes, budget-friendly routine you can do daily or at least 3 to 4 times a week. You can do it after a workout or at the end of your day. First, foam roll or use a tennis ball for 2 to 3 minutes. Start by taking a foam roller or even a tennis ball. Gently roll your upper back, glutes, and quads. If it's tender, pause and breathe, but keep massaging gently, unless it's very painful. This helps release tight spots and improves blood flow. This is self-myofascial release. Second, treat your hip flexor with a 1-minute stretch on each side. Kneel on one knee with the other foot in front. Squeeze your glutes and gently push your hips forward until you feel a stretch in the front of your hip. This undoes the hours of sitting that most of us do if it's done consistently. Third, do the cat-cow stretch for 1 minute to break it up into 3 sets of 20. Start on your hands and knees, round up your back like a cat, then dip it down and lift your chest. Repeat slowly. This keeps your spine and mobility healthy. Fourth is a key stretch for your shoulders and chest. Another minute. Stand tall, clasp your hands behind your back, pull your shoulders down and back, and open your chest. Hold and breathe. If you work at a sedentary desk job, this is gold. It really helps to open you up. For the fifth move, hold a deep squat. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, squat down as low as comfortable, and rest there. Toes should be pointed slightly out and wide. Use a wall or chair if you need support. This opens up your hips, ankles, and lower back and stretches your quads. As a sixth bonus movement, don't forget relaxed breathing. For this, I recommend sitting or lying down. Close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath through your nose. Focus on exhaling fully. This calms your nervous system and signals recovery mode. Your body will thank you if you don't skip this, as it will calm and keep your stress levels more manageable. 8 to 10 seconds, a few times a day, adds up. But recovery isn't just about stretching. Let's cover a few quick extra tips to make a big difference. Hydrate well. Muscles needs water to recover. Aim for half your body weight, at least in ounces daily. Everyone knows how important water is, but it's another thing to actually be consistent before you're thirsty. Keep water by your bed or your bathroom to remind yourself and get it first thing in the morning. Drink more on days you move more. Prioritize sleep. Studies show 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep helps muscles repair and grow. This means you need to be in bed longer than 7 hours, as it will take some time to fall asleep. Having a set bedtime routine an hour before bed to start calming down. Then go to bed and get up close to the same time every day. Eat enough protein. As we recover, and as we talked about in the nutrition video, protein helps rebuild muscle fibers. Aim for 1 to 1.3 grams of protein per pound of body weight. If you eat your protein first, you'll feel more satiated. Then have high protein snacks between meals for it to add up. Protein, water, and micronutrients keep your body functioning at full capacity with whole foods. Next, don't skip rest days. More is not always better. Give your body time to bounce back. Sometimes being smarter with compound movements done under a full range of motion, where you really feel the tension in your muscles, is more effective than squatting in the house. Remember, Minimalist training works best when you pair it with smart recovery. Just a few minutes a day keeps you moving well, feeling strong, and staying consistent, which is how real results happen. A little every day beats once a week where you don't do anything in between. If you found this content helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more realistic fitness for busy people, and share this with a friend who wants to feel amazing every day. Our goal is to bring you practical fitness advice you can use right away. Now, roll your mat out, try this routine, let me know in the comments how you feel tomorrow. See you in the next one, stay strong, and take care of that body that you're working so hard for.